All right, all right, all right. It's the start of the Christmas holiday, and we are getting that Christmas rally. But before we do anything, do me a favor, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. This way you know when we're up. And hit the like because it goes a long way for your host. So it's kind of like tipping the host. Anyway, hey, look, we have three strong up days. I really anticipated a sell-off today. But we did not get it. What's interesting here is that we broke this trend line and then traded right back. You really don't want to see that. It and the fact that we have a divergence on the highs is kind of a little disconcerting. So that broke a little bit right there. But if we take this biatch back here, broke nicely. I'm perplexed. I'm a little nervous because of all the volatility. And breaking below this is a little unnerving. So I guess on Monday we will watch for a break either way. We got a couple of gaps in here I think we should be filling. And I mean, these are two nice strong bars. We have 3 days up, maybe a little retrace on Monday, and then we continue the march. Really, next week is the Christmas rally week, and we really need volume in order for the market to move down. It just naturally floats up on light volume, so we would need volume in order to get the market to move down. It's going to be a light volume week, I'm pretty sure. So maybe we just consolidate a little bit. I don't know, or we just might blow that. We could call this a run on stops if we break below it, but we might just blow this technical and keep marching forward because it's a light volume day. It's just really not a time to be doing short-term trades. I'm really kind of thinking about the income trades and the long-term trading and what we look like. So here's the weekly, and we see this topping pattern. But here's where the divergence triggers. Yeah, because we have this divergence right here, and I've explained divergence. If you want me to go over it again, just leave me a comment, and I'll just put out a little divergence video. But only if you hit that like and hit the subscribe. But here we have a nice strong up bar popping off that lower trend. I'm kind of encouraged. I think we're going to just keep floating up. I would like to see a little consolidation or a trade back just to help those income trades along. But I believe we're going to keep on floating up. And one of our free folk, we're looking at this. So let's just look at it real quickly. It is Metaport. See if the picture changed. All right, everybody's moving up. It's a big up day, and this baby traded off. This is probably a meme situation. I don't know if I would get involved with it at this point. Could look for it to make another low. I believe he's in at 21. I would just keep my stop at 21 at a break even. If it tags that, get out. If it turns around and then breaks this high, that's where I would take my entry. I would like to see it come up, trace down, and then take off. This way you get that trend reversal, because right now you still got a lower low on the Mac Daddy. You want a higher low on the Mac Daddy, a higher low on the price action, and then it gives you a good entry point. 60 minutes kind of neutral. Looks like it's just consolidating a little bit. So that's that. Everybody have a good holiday. And I'm not going to wish you a happy trading because you shouldn't even be thinking about this over the weekend. Just enjoy your family, do your eating, and love one another. Happy holidays.